Hi guys, today we're gonna learn a new mini shuffle combo. So let's get right to it. So for the beginning you just do 2 hops, 1, 2. It's like you're kicking something with your feet. You're kicking something with your heel. Your right heel with your left. Pump, pump. Heel, heel. Next, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So we're changing a little bit of count. We're breaking it down a little bit. So we're doing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Then for the next move, we're going backwards. We're gonna kick something and go backwards. So that's how the move works. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you feel? Always in shuffle dancing, remember there are these 2 jumps. So one you use to push and a second one you use to jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But we're gonna do only 2 of those. So again, from the beginning, we do hop, hop. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And then we do, so we did 1, 2. Left leg goes behind as it intended to go, and we just crisscross. Right is in front. 1 and 2 and we just do this little throwing out thing. So I'm gonna show it, the whole thing facing you. So it is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and simple 8 count. Let me count it at 8. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And oh, I wanted to count it at 8. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And so you finish actually 8 and then you can do whatever you want. You can go into this. You can go into just simple running man, or you can go into this one. So let's show it again to the count from the back. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And for the last part, you can just throw your arms out for the effect. Everybody does this because it looks cool. So here, to show you closer, let's do it slowly from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and got it? Let's do it with the music now. Got it already? To spice it up just a little bit for the second move, after we do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So when we do this, third thing, I just point on my toe instead of my heel. That's it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So I don't actually go to the right, I just stay here and do 1, 2. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Got it? Again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, front is gonna look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Pretty cool. And then just do what you do. Do little rock. This is the best exercise for your shuffle dancing. Just do travel rocking and just try to go as further away as possible. Try to travel long but stay strong in your legs. Best thing for you. Alright, hope you guys liked it and see you next time. Have an awesome day.